Hello and welcome to another video on beginner tutorial series, and in today's video we are going to discuss one Power Query function, that is List.Median. Now List.Median help us in providing the median. So we have this Power Query function List.Median, and it can take two parameters. One is list and then second one is criteria which you can give, and that's is optional. Now what is median? So let's say you have this kind of a list. If I put it into a sorted order, 5 will come into the middle, and that's where my median is. Now if there are two numbers, like let's say it's an even list, then there could be two numbers which are falling in the middle, and that's where we can take an average of those two. So in this manner we create median. So let's jump onto the Power BI and try to create median there. Now to create median in Power BI, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Power Query Editor. To go there, under the Home tab, transform data, and there, once I reach Power Query Editor, I'm going to create a new blank query where I can do this operation. So I got a blank query, I can double click and rename it, and I'll rename it as List.Median. I can give any name. I'm just for my reference purpose, I'm giving that name. Right click Advanced Editor, or in the Home tab itself there is an option for Advanced Editor. We can use one of them. So let's first create a list. I create a list 1, 4, 6, 7, 8, and let me create with an odd number. And now it is in sorted order, so let me put 2 here instead of this one. So it's now not at completely sorted list. So I put 2 here and let me say done. Now I got this list. Now I want List.Median. So the another option is I go back to the Advanced Editor and do it. Or one thing is, in this step I'm able to see this particular step, so I can write down List.Median, and then I can give the list. List is something which is in angular brackets. So we have this list, and you can see the 4 is coming. So let me instead of 4, let me give it 3, and then you will see 3 is coming. So that's what is coming in the middle when we are sorting. Or let's say when we make even number of this thing, let's me make it 4 also. So now 3 and 4 are one which are coming in the middle, so I'm getting 3.5. Let's say if what happens if the 5 come in the middle, then we'll got 4, which is 3 plus 5 divided by 2. So in this manner we can get List.Median. Now what happens if the columns are coming from some other table, or I want to take a table and from there I want to find out a median. So how do I do that? So let's say this is my data table and I have this A1 and A2, and I want to find the median in that. So for A1 column or A2 column, so I'll tell you 2 ways. One is, let me try to add one column here in this table itself. So I go here and I say add custom column, and there I'll call it, let's say median 1, and I say List.Median. And when I say List.Median, now here I need the table name. Okay, I need the table name. So to get the table name, I need to know the last table column name, last step table name, so which I don't have. So let me write down right now A2, and this is not going to work. So you will see error here now because we are not passing a list. So I open this table from the Home, Advanced Editor, and I take this table name. This is my table name, and one thing is I go and place it here, or I open this formula and I give table and column. So now I have a table and column. Table and column is a list. Okay, not simple column is a list. And now you see 333 because that's going to repeat. It's a even number, so middle to average has been taken. Now when we go to the other table, or let's say when I'm simply wanted to have the median, what I need to do. So let me right click this Advanced Editor, and I'm going to add a new step here. So let me press let me give comma here and press enter, and I say S2 is equals to List.Median, and then I say data A1. Here I don't need the step name because I have the complete table which is now available with me, and I take A1 from there, and A1 was the first column. We have taken A2's median there. Now S2 I should return. I can't, if I return source, still it's going to give the data for the first one. Now these are not related step. If you see typically in when we do the Power Query and we use the automated steps, step 1's name is going to be used in step 2 and all those. But right now we are not doing. These are 2 independent steps, 2 independent variables are there. Both are returning a number, or what you call any kind of a variable, which is giving median of 2 different lists. So let's say done, Now we see it's 4 because 3 and 5 were in the middle, and if I to make it A2, then I'm going to get 3 because A2 the median was 3. So in this manner you can use List.Median of Power Query. So go ahead and try that out. Do let me know what else you want me to cover in this particular series. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.